Cashing out money from Kraken to a UK bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Now go to the funding or deposit section on the Kraken platform. Then choose the option for withdraw or withdrawal. After that, select GBP as the currency you want to withdraw. Now choose the withdrawal method that suits your preference. This could be a bank transfer or another option. Then provide the necessary details, including the withdrawal amount and your UK bank account information. Also, you have to ensure that the bank details are accurate. Kraken may have security measures such as two-factor authentication. Complete any additional verification steps if required. Then review the withdrawal details carefully. Confirm the withdrawal request. This is how you can cash out money from Kraken to a UK bank account.